nakita sa video na 4 po, 2 pulis at 2 armed forces. Dun sa 2 pulis, they are not authorized. They're moonlighting. Sinurrender po nila yung firearms sila kasi pati ID sila, but they went on a wall. We will file dishonesty. Once we file dishonesty, that's perpetual disqualification from any government post. Kasi yung iba dinadaya nila yung reports. Ina-account po namin, kasi everyday, just to make everyday we submit reports, we account our personnel. Hindi po mangyayari moonlighting kung hindi po dadayain ang report nila. So ito po yung babala sa mga pulis natin. Make sure to take your job religiously.
Sir, yung kay Pulong po, meron din daw pong complaint na final po dito, dun sa parang
Rape threats.
Yeah, I was told about it.
And there's also a CCTV, but Pulong is saying na baka daw fake po yung video.
No, we will look into it. We'll let the prosecutors handle it. Hindi naman ako nagdidictate ng gagawin ng prosecutor. We give enough leeway and very transparent ang process dito sa DOJ.
Sir, on Friday po si VP Sara is scheduled for a PI dito po sa DOJ.
Okay.
Meron po bang special preparations? Meron po bang hindi yung kampo niya?
Well, she will have the PSG with her here. Open naman sila, pwede naman sila pumunta dito to secure the premises. And it's going to be the call of the Prosecutor General. Hindi po ako nag-handle ng preliminary investigation.
Sir Anson Ke, meron po ba tayong bagong update on that?
Anson Ke, I will be meeting with some of the police officers this afternoon. May makakausapin ako tungkol dyan. Tatanong ko na rin.
Possible pa ba, sir, na maibalik yung ransom money? Kasi may ilang kongresista na
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa police. Dapat hanapin nila yung ransom money at ibalik sa pamilya. That's very basic sa kidnapping cases. Okay?
Sir, mayroon kayong gusto bang idagdag? May nakakalimutan ba kami?
sir, baka meron.
Hindi naman, ano lang yan. Hindi lang clear talaga yung procedure ng ombudsman. Anyway, we'll still answer it. Pero hindi malinaw ang procedure kasi dati, merong fact-finding yan, may rules na published yan. Yung ngayon, parang hindi na dumaan sa fact-finding. Basta dire-diretso kagad sa amin. So, we'll see. I will not insinuate anything. I'm just saying, yung rules na tinitingnan namin, parang hindi nasunod.